More capability, more performance, and a new look, inside and out, Porsche presents the 2024 Cayenne. The new Cayenne Turbo GT features an improved engine, suspension, and handling, as well as an updated instrument cluster with a digital instrument cluster and, for the first time in a Cayenne, the front passengers have their own infotainment display. The air quality system filters pollutants from the cabin air. The HD high-definition LED matrix headlights provide road lighting for every driving situation. The Cayenne Turbo GT is equipped with a 4.0-litre twin-turbocharged V8 with an output of 650 horsepower, which is 19 horsepower more than the previous model. It accelerates to 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds and has a top speed of 189 miles per hour. The redesigned center stack includes a standard 12.6-inch curved screen for the driver, a 12.3-inch infotainment screen, and an optional passenger screen that is 10.9 inches, which gives passengers the availability to watch videos. The transmission shifter is now located on the dashboard behind the steering wheel to free up space in the center console. A new air purifying system that is connected to the GPS, and will automatically activate air recirculation when in a tunnel as well as filter very fine particles of dust. Customers can use a comprehensive range of new and optimized assistance systems. These include the active speed limiter and the swerve assist, the cornering assist, and the improved Porsche InnoDrive as part of the adaptive cruise control. This means that the new Cayenne is even better at helping its driver in dangerous situations as well as in traffic jams on motorways and main roads. The driving experience can be additionally enhanced with the new adaptive air suspension with two-chamber, two-valve technology. The air suspension improves driving precision and performance and reduces body movement in dynamic driving situations. The suspension also offers an even sharper differentiation between normal, sport and sport plus driving modes. Additionally, there's a new range of rim designs on offer, from 20 to 22-inch options. Prices for the Porsche Cayenne start at $80,850. The Cayenne Coupe Turbo GT will cost $197,950.